Bobby Stein, y'all. It's Sunday, February 27th. It's about 11:30 in the morning. I'm in Beulah, Mississippi. I want to show y'all a unusual church in Beulah. Then I want to show you a pretty cemetery in Beulah. And then we're going to ride on up to Rosedale, Mississippi. Beulah's on Highway 1, probably about 40 miles north of Greenville. I've taken pictures of this church before. It's really unusual. It's really a pretty church. And I see, looks like they're having services. Rosedale was first settled in 1838 by cotton plantations. You know, the cotton gin was invented in 1793, so Rosedale was settled 45 years later after the cotton gin was invented. And then it really took off in 1882 when the railroads were constructed through Rosedale. It was the Yazoo and Mississippi Valley Railroad that came through, and not only took cotton up north, but also in the early 20th century, also moved a lot of black people out of the Delta, including Rosedale, took them up north where they were seeking a better life. Anyway, Rosedale's also known for Perry Martin, moonshine, and a lot of different blues musicians. So y'all lean back, enjoy the music, and enjoy the photographs. Hit that like button. I welcome any comments. Y'all please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will see you